this isn't everything. So this is the other thing to bear in mind. What I've started with is the things that I use myself every day, and also the things that I find I tend to use with clients. So it's the things that I use most and things that I find when you know this and you apply this in your life, it becomes easier. It's as simple as that. And as Oscar Wilde said, life is simple. People are complicated. So just keep it simple. This one is entitled Life Secrets for Curious Minds. There will probably be more life secrets for curious minds, even more life secrets for curious minds, and then life secrets for more curious minds. Yes, so you can see where I've gone with that. We can expand on this. So I'm Rob Holcroft. In fact, people in this room will know me as Robert Page as well. My parents are Page, but they also gave me the middle name Holcroft. And when I started doing more of this stuff, I found that having Page as a surname when you are looking for good search engine optimization or to be found on Google, Page is the most rubbish name you could possibly have, especially when it's spelt like the page of a book. Thankfully, though, they gave me the middle name Holcroft because they had greatness in mind for me and thought either Sir Robert Holcroft or Lord Holcroft Page would both sound very good. And it's brilliant because when I started out, the only thing that ever came above my name in a Google search was a breed of Labrador. So I'm very easy to find on the internet now. AKA, some of you might know me as the Lovely Rob. It was a name given me actually by an old school friend many, many years ago. And then it just sort of, people didn't know that she called me that, and then just people started saying, oh, you're lovely, you're lovely. So then when I went on Twitter, I became the Lovely Rob, just because it was easy. So you can find me on social media through the Lovely Rob or Rob Holcroft. I'm not going to go into my life because it would take too long, right? Just know I've never had a plan, never known what I wanted to do, so I've done loads. I'm on about my 7th career, and each one I've done to its fullest and I've loved. And the stuff I've learned, this is what I'm now sharing.